Hi, this is the LENOVO Tab Extreme and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So just to log out from Gmail application, let's first launch it. Here tap on the right upper corner, and just to log out from here from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your account and tap to remove. Confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Now enter just the pattern and we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully log out also from the Gmail application. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.